Welcome back. We're going to be opening a 1989 NBA Hoops basketball. Let's see. Okay. Paul Pressey, Scott Brooks, Billy Thompson, Carmen Gill, Scottie Pippen. Okay. David Robinson. Derek Harper. David Tisdale. Ed Pinkney. Alec Neville. Mark Allari. Bill Jones. Let's flip it around. Rick Smith. Spud Webb. Oh yeah, I like this card. And Derek Smith. I was actually been trying to find this card. I was hoping it was one of the ones I got out of this set, and I got it. Please guys comment, like, and subscribe.